Short sale information, how shadow inventory is calculated and why it's important to you. Hey, looking for short sale information? You've come to the right place. Mike Wrigley, Certified Default Advocate, Distressed Property Expert, and your short sale specialist here. Thanks for joining us for another edition. Hey, today let's talk about how short sale inventory is calculated and why it's important to you. Now, according to the good folks at Keeping Matters Current, KMC, shadow inventory includes three categories of houses. Number one, properties already foreclosed on but not brought to the market yet. Number two, houses currently in the foreclosure process. And more importantly, number three, properties where the homeowner is seriously delinquent on their mortgage, at least 90 days behind. Now, categories 1 and 2 seem pretty obvious for inclusion, but why category 3, properties where the borrower is seriously delinquent on their mortgage payment? They are included because studies show that 95+% of all those who fall 90 days behind on their mortgage payment never catch up. And these properties do eventually come onto the market as distressed sales, either as short sales or foreclosure. The percentage of those who do catch up on their mortgage is often referred to as the cure rate. Now, unfortunately, the cure rate is incredibly low in this new market reality. From 2000 to 2006, the cure rate averaged about 45%. Since then, the cure rate has been at record lows of less than 5%. Since we now have less than 5% cure rate, those properties should be included in the shadow inventories. One way or another, they're still going to need to be liquidated either through short sale or foreclosure. In the Sacramento County, there are approximately 550,000 single-family residents and condos. Of those 550,000 homes, approximately 27,000 or 4.9, let's call it 5%, are seriously delinquent, 90 days or more behind. On average, about 19,000 homes sell per year in that same area. So, just the seriously delinquent properties account for approximately 18 months of supply of homes for sale. And that's just the seriously delinquent, not counting about those in foreclosure or been foreclosed on. That does not even consider those who short sale without ever missing a payment. A 6-month supply is considered a balanced market. Right now we have about a 2-week supply, very unbalanced. Now, while many may poo-hoo the shadow inventory numbers, I say we truly need to be mindful of how it will affect pricing once those properties are liquidated. Falling prices will force homeowners into negative equity and foreclosure or short sale. If you're thinking about selling, if you're close, don't wait for the market to get better. It's going to get worse before it gets better, my personal opinion. Is your short sale right for you? Call me and let's find out. To get a better idea of when your home will be worth what you owe, log on to www.shortsaleandloanmod.info for a free estimate, or call me. The information's free, the call is free, the report's free. You have any short sale questions, give me a call. Let's talk about your particular situation. You'll call me today, you'll sleep better tonight, and you'll be glad you did. Thanks for joining us.